Today I'm going to make a short little video. This is an Arduino board, and I have a breadboard set up with two LEDs on here. And the Arduino is running a sketch with Chibi OS installed on it. And it's outputting a PWM signal from pin 11 over to the breadboard. And that PWM signal is feeding into two resistors, 1000 ohm. The transistors I have set up here is a 2N2907 and a 2N2222. Essentially what they are is a NPN and PNP transistors. And I have 330 ohms set for the current limiting. And you can use PNPs on your microcontroller to control. You don't always have to use an NPN transistor. But when you do use a PNP, it's wired up a little bit different. You take the emitter and you wire it up to the plus side. Your base naturally gets connected with 1000 ohm resistor that comes from your microcontroller pin. And the collector is, I have it passed through the 330 ohm. Negative, let's see, the positive side goes to the resistor, and the negative goes to ground on your breadboard. And the NPN is the exact opposite. You use the negative wire, you power up the emitter. Your base gets connected to a 1000 ohm resistor. Your collector have your current limiting resistor of 330 ohms. Your cathode goes to the end of the resistor, and you put the anode wire, the LED, into the positive rail. And you can see that when one turns on, the other one turns off, vice versa. I can put this on, since I have two sketches in here running. What Chibi OS is, it's an operating system, allows you to do multiple things at once. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to take it and put it in 13, which will blink it. So as you can see, you can actually see which one is the NPN transistor, because I have a default at the pin 13, which is the same as the LED on the Arduino. So when the LED is on, the Arduino is firing the NPN transistor, and then when it's turned off, it's firing the PNP transistor. Nothing nothing complicated. I have it powered up through my computer, running this code. You can actually do some pretty cool things with Chibi OS. I haven't really explored it yet because it's something that's new to me. Switch it back here to the pin 11. So I get the what pin 11 is the PWM pin. Allows you to fade on and off. Essentially, what it does is it varies the voltage on it by using what's called a pulse width modulation. There are several videos on YouTube that will explain this more in detail. I'm not going to go into that detail right now, but this is my video. Thanks for watching.